Hey guys, just a quick announcement update for our RUCK March that we have coming up on April 19th for the Cattaraugus Creek. We will be meeting at the Gowanda Assembly Church of God, 78 Allen Street, Gowanda, New York, 14070. So please join us. We're going to be meeting at the church at 6:30 and then walking the Cattaraugus Creek and then having a little service halfway through at a designated point called Gateway Park, where the tanning factory used to be here in town. And then we're going to march back to church. Feel free to bring your packs with you if you want. Otherwise, just come and walk with us, march with us. Should be a good time. Excited to bring you guys a message there along the creek that day and talk about a little bit of God's creation. Then we're going to be heading back to church for a bonfire afterwards and a discussion time. If you're unable to walk or unable to march with us, feel free to meet us down at Gateway Park at around 7:30 that night.